Okay, it's a little number puzzle here. We've got a number, and we're told that if we subtract 1/2 of the number minus 1/3 of the number, then the result will be 60. So what's the number? So we could guess, for example, and we're just going to guess and check table. So let's guess that the number is 12. So half of that would be 6, a third of that would be 4, and 6 minus 4 is 2. So not 60. Maybe it's 18. So half of 18 is 9, 1/3 of 18 is 6, and 9 minus 6 is 3. So still not big enough. So something to think about. If I made it say 20, half of 20 is 10, but a third of 20 is 20/3, which is like, not a whole number. So when I subtract, I will get another not a whole number. So we should know that if half turns out to be a whole number and a third is not a whole number, then this won't be a whole number, and clearly it can't be 60. On the other hand, I suppose it's possible that maybe 1/2 isn't a whole number and 1/3 isn't a whole number either, and somehow that makes out so that their difference is a whole number. Maybe. But think about what sorts of numbers can I take half of or 1/3 of and always get a whole number answer, right? So those would be the only kinds of numbers that you want to guess. The first two are examples of such numbers, and the third one is a number that doesn't work. Okay? And of course, as usual, the table is good, but what you really want to do is write an equation to solve this problem. All right? So think of my number as our variable, our unknown. We call it x if we want, or n. So how would you represent half of that number, or 1/3 of that number, or the difference between half and a third, and what will we set that equal to in the end? I trust you can figure that one out. You're smart.